Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share an easy method to earn money by watching and sharing TikTok videos on Pinterest. I personally made around $380 using this method, and I'll guide you through the process. First things first, head over to TikTok and look for trending videos in popular categories, like viral humorous videos. Focus on videos with millions of views, as they usually perform well. Choose a video that genuinely appeals to you, because if you like it, chances are others will too. Make sure to watch the entire video. If it doesn't click with you, keep searching until you find the right one. Once you've found your video, take a screenshot. You can do this on a PC or a mobile device. The next step will require this screenshot in full. Now, go to canva.com, a free and user-friendly design platform. Create a new design that's 1080 by 1920 pixels in size. Upload your screenshot and add a compelling header, such as "Oh my God," viral video, to the post. Enhance the text by experimenting with different fonts and colors. Place a play button on top of the screenshot to make the thumbnail more engaging. Canva provides play button icons that you can use. When your thumbnail design is perfect, download it from Canva and save it to your device. Next step is, if you don't already have an account, create one on Pinterest. Complete the form, check your email, and log into your account. Click on Create and then Create Pin. Upload your designed image. Write an enticing headline like "Watch Now." Funny viral video. This will encourage users to click on your pin. Now let's create the link that will make you money. Visit shrinkme.io, register, fill out the form, and confirm your email to create an account. Log in and select New Shortened Link. To shorten a TikTok video, copy its link and click the shorten button on ShrinkMe. Copy the shortened link. Paste the shortened URL into your Pinterest pin's destination link. From now on, every time someone clicks on one of your Pinterest pins, ShrinkMe will redirect them and you'll earn money. If Pinterest doesn't directly accept ShrinkMe links, you can use Linktree as an intermediary. This way, Linktree will reroute the traffic to your ShrinkMe link, ensuring you continue to profit from every click. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can make money online by watching TikTok videos and sharing them on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.